Okay, I'm just going to show you a little hack here. I'm going to redo this, but I have this buggy and I want to be able to remote control it. So I added a button. You like that? So let me show, I'm going to take it apart and show you how it works. So this is just an on-off button. You can actually just even connect these two wires together. So as long as you make a connection. So how does that work? Well, if I take this apart, so I have here I have two batteries, and in between the batteries I have this. Take this out. See, it's on now. I have it on. And so I have a piece of aluminum foil on both sides with a wire connected to them, and it's separated by this piece of paper. So when you put this in there, the two batteries are not connected, okay? But then once I push the button, then these two sides are connected and it turns on. The end. I think I'm going to take it apart and put a little bit, maybe 3 batteries in there just so I get a little more power, but that's what I'm going to do. Okay, here is Remote Buggy version 2. So again, I have the push switch on here. I wanted to make it a little faster, so I put 4 diesel batteries on top. Then, so here's how it works. Whack. So I have that 4 battery pack. So I have one wire coming out going to the battery, the other one going through the switch, and then on the bottom, let's look on the bottom. So then I have one wire from the battery pack going to, actually one wire from the switch going to the one end of the car, and then it goes through here to the what's that called? The battery, and then the other end of the battery is clipped on over here. So then when you turn it on, pretty cool, huh? And like before, I could also I don't need the push switch. I could just touch these wires together. There you go.